Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Creativity. Today I am going to show you bulging of Earth or physics of equatorial bulge. An equatorial bulge is the difference between the equatorial and the polar diameters of a planet due to the centrifugal force of its rotation. A rotating body tends to form an oblate spheroid rather than a sphere. The Earth has an equatorial bulge of 22.42 km. That is, its diameter measured across the equatorial plane is 42.22 km. To understand bulging of Earth, we need a piece of wood, 4 pieces of foam, a wooden board, 9-volt battery, a battery connector, motor, hook, a switch and a wire, a metal rod, 3 pieces of plastic strip, scissor, double tape and sellotape. Stick the foam pieces at the 4 corners of the board. This is your bottom side of the board. Make a hole at the center of the wooden board. Now insert the hook from the bottom side. Make a hole in the wooden piece and fix the wooden piece. Join the circuit of the battery and the motor with a switch. Stick the motor to the wooden piece. Fix the battery and the switch. Make a hole in the metal rod. Instead of metal, you can use wooden stick. Now fix it to the motor. Take the plastic strips and make 3 holes in each of them. Align them as I am showing. Now stick 2 to 3 layers of sellotape at the top. You can see it is looking like a spherical shape. Now apply sellotape at the bottom. So that the strips are secure when the motor is moving. Now start the motor. The shaft will spin and the Earth model will also spin. You will find that from this original spherical shape, the shape has become oblate due to spinning of this sphere.